So, bro, how was the ride so far?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good.
That's right. That's right.
People are coming to Mecca. Oh my God, there's a guy trying making out his girlfriend. Don't find the camera. Put it down. Put it down.
So Nathan just texted, let's go for a small ride. जल्दी जल्दी में plan हो गया. There was no plan for this, and the plan is just to go for a small ride to freshen up our minds. Like we have been staying in for a very long period of time, and like you know, to bring your thinking capacity back, you need to go out, have some refreshment, see some new things. Like really do what you love so that you can put in maximum effort in the work that you are doing right now. So the plan was to go for a small ride. Nathan just texted, I was just about to leave. I've also gotten my jacket on me, but see what happened. Look outside. My God. I think whenever I go for a ride, something or the other has to go wrong, and like, I don't know, man. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so gloves, balaclava, GoPro mount, helmet, jacket, jeans, and tripod, and the GoPro for charging. But still no sign of this dude stopping. Let's see what happens. देखा जाएगा. So the bike has stayed in my house for a very long period of time. I think it has stayed at my house parked in my garage for almost 3 weeks. So let's just ride it slow for the first couple of kilometers to let the oil set in, not putting too much stress on the engine, just keeping the revs below 4000 rpm, letting the engine, just hope it doesn't rain. Rain gods, दुआएं रखना.
Show bounce meter. आता है little more. You have rain now. It's like 1 or 2 psi less.
The time right now is 4:21 and we are headed to Korjuem Fort. It's somewhere near Porvorim. No, it's somewhere near Aldona. So let's see. If you are planning to visit this place from Panjim, you will have to take a right from the Panjim intersection, the road to go to the Mandovi bridge. So this is the old Mandovi bridge, and that is the Atal Setu on top. Now the Atal Setu has just been constructed, and it's very nice actually. What, man, Nathan? Nathan's just scared that it might rain because that is the route which we are going to take to go to Korjuem Fort. But it's all good. If it rains, we'll just stop in the middle, take some shade, you know. And what I was saying, I was telling you about this Atal Setu bridge. This Atal Setu bridge is very nice, and in the night there is a very fantastic display of lights. Like the whole bridge is covered with lights, and if you are coming to Goa, like this is a must visit place, Atal Setu. But bikes are not allowed over here. You can only take your car, trucks, etc. But bikes are not allowed. So if you're coming to Goa, make sure you don't take a bike over here because you will get into big trouble.
A big salute to the frontline workers. They're keeping everything at risk for us.
So when the Mandovi bridge ends, this is the Porvorim intersection, and you have to take this left turn. Be aware when you're taking this left turn because there are no signals, and as you can see, there is just oncoming traffic. So take an informed decision and cross the road. So when you cross the road, there is a slope, a downward slope, and when you take that slope, there is another intersection at the down, and from that intersection you have to take a left to go to the Korjuem road. Now the roads at the start are not very nice right now, but after 10 or 12 kilometers the roads are just fantastic. Trust me, like, it's not about the highways, it's not about the big 6-laner roads, this is actual Goa, the narrow roads, the curvy roads with coconut trees on both sides, Portuguese style houses. It just brings you back to a very refreshing memory. It refreshes your mind and you feel very nice on these roads. These roads have some kind of magic in them. But be aware, these are village roads which are very narrow, and you have to make sure on every turn, like, keep your motorcycle completely in control when you are riding on these roads, because you never know what will come next. When you take a turn, you might see a cow, you might see an auntie, you might see some car parked at the side. So just be aware when you're riding on these narrow roads of Goa. Here comes another very famous location where it is very nice to click pictures. This got very famous on Instagram actually 2 years ago. So the FZ excels in top speed compared to the Apache, but where the Apache excels is actually the acceleration, the handling, and it's a very good motorcycle. Arey, this is a very nice spot at the side actually to wait. Let's see when we are coming back, we'll wait because there are rain clouds on top and it doesn't make any sense just to wait. Because we came out today just to ride, not to wait and see locations. So today the goal is ride, ride, ride.
Which side you want to go? Which side? Both sides? Aldona is good, no? Aldona is good. You ever been Bastora? We'll go? I think it will just take a U-turn to our side there. Right is Kalvim. Come, we'll go Kalvim.
So if you are going to visit this place, then there are lots of guides, there are lots of banners telling you which direction to go, which direction is what, and you will get help from locals. There's no issue. Locals are very cool over here. If you want to go to this Korjuem fort, you have to find out Kalvim Bridge. Kalvim Bridge is like after Kalvim Bridge comes Korjuem fort. So what happened was the GoPro went off while recording. It did not take the turn which you have to take to Korjuem fort. But basically this is like a off-road route. You have to take a small off-road route. When you are coming straight on that road, there will be a small off-road route. Like, there will also be a board over there saying, see, this is the route, you have to take a left and go inside to Korjuem fort. Okay, so we have made it over to Korjuem fort. Like, the surroundings are pretty nice, you know, but it's about to rain. That is the Korjuem fort. Strike, bro. Oh, this place is just too spooky, man. This place is something of those horror movies, you know. I don't know, I don't even want to go over there to see what is over there. But this is just so it's just going out. Shit. So bro, how was the ride so far?
Pretty good, man, pretty good.
That's right, that's right.
People are coming to make out. Oh my god, there's a guy trying making out his girlfriend. Don't on the camera. Put it down, put it down.